Storage box is pretty much ready to go. I filled all the holes with this Bondo glazing and spot putty. Usually I use that for body work, and it worked just fine on filling in the screw heads and so forth. And now I'm going to coat it with Herculiner. That'll be the next step to get this thing prepped, finish sanding, take off some of the rough spots, and then coat it with Herculiner. That should be a good coating for a long life for this Jeep. So I think that's going to be a good solution. So onto the coating now with Herculiner. Sure, you stir the Herculiner pretty well. There's quite a bit of solid buildup at the bottom that needs to be stirred in to make this a good coating. At this point I've got the Herculiner coating on, so this is going to be a nice coating for the storage box, inside and out, all surfaces covered, so we're in good shape. Now I'll let it dry and then start hooking up electrical and get this thing in the Jeep. It's going to go right in that Cherokee right over there, so we're in good shape. Well, after one coat, it's looking pretty good. I've got the whole storage box coated with Herculiner, and it's pretty nice. I'm going to put another coat on the top, but that's pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with it. Of course, the DC switch panel is going to go on the side here, and that's going to be very nice. So I'm pleased with the way this is coming out, and the product that I used on this is Herculiner. It's a pretty good product, so it goes on well. Just make sure you stir it up before you start applying it, but all in all, this is going to be a good solution.